What is up, guys? Today I will show you the Plaud Note Pro, which is the worst advanced AI note tracker. What's written here actually, it's an ultra slim card size AI voice recorder, and it's designed for seamlessly capture, transcribe and summarize the phone calls, meetings, lectures and voice notes. So let's check it out what we can do here, how it's constructed, what we will have inside. Here a description, many languages, 64 gigabytes, silver color. So let's open it up and see how it looks like. Actually, what we have here is quite luxury compound here, and you have some description. I already unboxed it before, so I already put the things off. Then you have the quick guide how to start it in many languages. So you just download the app, then connect, start recording, stop recording is you need to press and hold, press to highlight while recording, short press to highlight some minute. Okay, that's actually it. It should be a very simple device for voice recording, price around $200. Actually, it's quite thin. Look at this. It's really slim and the quality is high. The battery here should be super slim. Here's a charger connector. It's iNote Tracker Pro version, 5 volts, 0.5 ampere here. So 2.5 watt, Plaud here, one button, screen. Actually you have AMOLED display, instant view. Also you've got here 4 microphones. Actually I don't know where they're connected, where they're located. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 microphones. Dual mode recording, so detects whether it's attached to the back of your phone via MagSafe for call recorder or placed on a table for in-person meeting capture. Also it has the function of AI transcriptions. Also you can translate what you just recorded. And actually the key characteristics here, the weight is 30 grams, so super light. It's recording up to 5 meters. It has 4 microphones and 1 VPU. Although the dimension you see is less than 2.99 millimeters, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi, and it can be connected to Plaud app. What else we have here is a charger. So the charger is quite tiny, as you see, it's 4 connectors, magnet charger, quite typical for this device. So that's how you charge it, quite nice cable, and Type-C, of course, silicone even cover to this Type-C. Okay, quite interesting, never seen it before. It's actually a waste of plastic, so don't know why they put it anyway. We'll throw it away very fast. Okay, let's put it back. And you have the case. I think that's it. So box also quite nice, put it out. Laser, or maybe not laser, but still fine. So you have this Plaud magnet if you don't have MagSafe, also quite good that they put it inside. And the case itself, so from this side is hard case and from upper it's quite soft. And it's designed, you see there are 2 microphones and 2 on top, so when you place it it's fully fit. And let's place it out. So actually it's premium feeling when you place it out. I think there's one more additional microphone. Yeah, look how it looks like, quite nice design. And let's try it out with my Galaxy Z Fold 7. I have already magnet ring here. Okay, actually it looks quite nice, it's used quite well to Galaxy Z Fold. Also not that thick, actually when you feel it, it's quite fine, you know, in the hand it's a bit heavier. But I don't think you can easily put it out. So when it's fixed, first you need to put this thing out, then you can fully move it. And let's see what we can do. Okay, that's how you can put it out. So let's connect it to the app. I'll put it like this. I already downloaded the app called Plaud iNote Tracker. Let's open it up. So I think I need to firstly continue with Google. Okay, let me do just some basic setup. Okay, now link your device. Keep your device, you will ask to enable Bluetooth and location. Okay, Note, you have a regular one, you have Note Pin now, 2 options, and Note Pro. Bluetooth enabled, 9%. So let's try to search for it. Press and okay, it's found it, serial number here. Okay, so it's connecting, let's wait. I already removed it from my alt account, so let's add to my new account. Taking some time for the first time. Okay, it's active. Quite nice screen actually, so you have the QR code that you need to scan, I guess. So it's reset it. Okay, change your charge your device battery low. Okay, got it. Okay, so since it's connected, let's click continue. Okay, it's charging me the plan, so it's local currency. Let's keep it. Switch to monthly, just keep it. Build trust, okay. Privacy, okay. Learn how to record, follow quick guide to start. Okay, let's see. Start recording, so long press. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, recorded started, and device wave will appear. Okay, I see. Then it's dots somehow, then continue. Stop recording, press and hold, device vibrates 2 times. Okay, vibrated 2 times. Recording complete. So generate note. Let's try. Okay, conversations, the shape technology, blah blah blah. So you have this quite nice note with mind map at the end. Okay, mind map. I don't know why you cannot enlarge it, but actually it's quite nice to have this note. You have also the source here. Summary. Okay, continue. Source, color switcher. Okay, also you have this division. Got it. Skip the menu. Auto summarize new records. Okay, welcome to Plaud Explorer. So I have the files here, the recordings. That's what I recorded. Auto label speaker also, synth speaker label. So if you have several speakers, it will be, or 3, 4, it will be divided. Okay, set up voice profile. Turn on microphone, access short sample of your voice. Okay, only this time. Call me V. Start. To finish when your record microphone's already on, ready to the text below. Okay. During a typical work days, ideas and conversation happen all the time. An AI companion can help capture those moments and records key details. This makes it easier to review conversations later and keep track of important information. Okay, finish. Okay, all set, got it. Now you can
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, record this.
Okay, let's generate, auto-generate the best transcription summarized for you, custom generation. So you have the templates, language model you can use. Okay, it's using ChatGPT here, as you see. So you can select the model, can select the language. There are really plenty of them. All the languages are supported. Also translated to English, not shown. Okay, translated to English also. You can translate it. So you have discovery, so adaptive summaries, reasoning summary, full transcript, clear and clean, highly detailed, meeting minutes, call notes, strategic meeting summary, rewrite simple. Okay, you see so many things, to-do list. Actually, it's all these templates is AI generated, so I don't think there are that big value of it. Okay, so let's generate finally, auto generate. So generating the summary for me. It was really simple, but the transcript is brief. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, recording started, and device will hear the dots somehow and continue, stop recording, press and hold. Okay. So you have this mind map that will be created. And how does the record process compare? Okay, smartphone voice memo app, let's see. Actually, as I see for now, I don't see a really big value of this thing. You have private cloud sense, cloud desktop app, you have template community. What you got is actually 300 minutes. Let's see, 300 minutes per month. I don't think it's that much. It depends how often you use it. Of course, the quality of recording is good, but I think it's very comparable to a phone. Let's try to compare it. That's why we're here. It's nice device, looking good, but costs $200 separate. You need to carry a second device. You need to charge it. Okay, there's even firmware update available, so auto transfer fix, known issues. Okay, you can update it later. Recording mode, ambient recording, so press and hold to start ambient recording mode or ambient, yeah. And call recording mode, so place on the back of your phone, tap to record, so to enter call mode and capture both sides clearly. All right, so actually that's logically, so you have here, device also disconnect or remove and transfer to app. Not that much settings available, so let's start recording. Okay, let's start. Mel Brooks brings his one-of-a-kind comic touch to the history of mankind, covering events from the Old Testament to the French Revolution in the series of episodic comedy Vigendes. Okay, now let's check firstly how it will be. Let's refresh it. Okay, fast transfer available. I don't know, what does it mean, fast transfer? Maybe this is by Bluetooth, so you have by Wi-Fi, but anyway, let's see. Then you can click generate, auto generate. So it's working quite slow, actually, not that fast. Okay, Melbourne on a kind of history covering events from the. Okay, actually. It's transcribed quite nice. What else you can do with this? Okay, so you can ask some question to the note, but it's just AI. It's nothing really special. Move to folder, retranscribe, name speaker. It's not that many things actually to do with this. Let's just ask the simple notes, just my notes that I use for Samsung, like voice recorder. Mel Brooks brings his one-of-a-kind comic touch to the history of mankind, covering events from the Old Testament to the French Revolution in the series of episodic comedy vignettes. Okay, let's see how this can be done here. You also have the AI feature. You can transcribe, you can translate and summarize. Okay, let's summarize. Also, it can do same for the calls. You can select the language even here to transcribe. Okay, let's do it in English. Also taking some time, but actually it's quite fast and doing the same things. Covering event from, okay, maybe I didn't read wrong. One word is wrong, but in general, guys, come on, it's for free. It's always in your device. You can erase in notes. You can erase noise here. Wow, it's all fast here. Mel Brooks brings his one-of-a-kind comic. Nice. Then you can also do very fast. Okay, you don't have this nice map, but it's still transcribe. You can also do same transcribe here. You can also translate it to any, like to many languages. You can translate it to Chinese in a second. Guys, I don't see any really advantage of this Plaud Note Pro, this book. If you only carry it with you without your phone, put it in your pocket, hide it somewhere, maybe it's illegal, just you should know it. Maybe there is advantage, but in general it's just nice looking device for $200 with, of course, a nice case, but I don't think the people need it now. The Note app are developed so fast, and only in a specific events you need this thing. Usually you can use your phone. I don't see any advantage. Then you need to sync it to your app. You use some additional device to carry it. So as for me, this thing doesn't worth to consider to buy in 2026.